So my name is Khushal Patel, BST Group, BST India. So we're based out of Bombay. Our manufacturing unit is in Anand, Gujarat. So we are a quality assurance equipment manufacturer. So for converting industry, web guides, surface inspection, viscosity control, register control, print inspection, 100% defect detection. So these are the products that we cater to for converting, printing, packaging, slitting, lamination, everything. Then rubber as well as steel. So these are the industries that we cater to. So what we have over here is our demo machine in which all our products are on display, starting from web guides, which guides the material, then print inspection system for the camera, for the registration, for the color, for the checking of the print quality for the operator, then 100% defect detection to detect defects which occur during printing. So these are the products on this rewinding machine. Then we have our Alpha Mix, which is a two-component mixing and dosing for solventless lamination machine. Then we have our viscosity control system over there. So it's a viscosity and temperature control for inks, solvents, adhesive, coatings, etc. So these are the products on display at HIPLEX on the BST booth. So we are coming to Hyderabad for what do you say? We are exhibiting in Hyderabad after almost 10 years, but we have a huge customer base. So that's the reason we decided to participate in this edition of HIPLEX. And so far, so good. We're very happy with the response at HIPLEX. Thank you.